Savoir.
means to know. In this video, we will learn the verb to know in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. This is a regular verb. It does not follow any specific pattern. So, let's see how can we conjugate it in the present tense. I know.
Je sais.
You know. Informal way.
Tu sais.
He knows. Masculine.
Il sait.
She knows. Feminine.
Elle sait.
We know, or one knows. Informal way.
On sait.
We know. Formal way.
Nous savons.
You know. Formal way.
Vous savez.
They know. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils savent.
They know. Group of only females.
Elles savent.
This French verb is used to express knowledge or the ability to do something. It is often used when talking about knowing facts, information, or skills. Let's see how do we use this verb in simple sentences. I know the answer.
Je sais la réponse. Je sais la réponse.
You know how to swim.
Tu sais nager. Tu sais nager.
He knows where the park is.
Il sait où est le parc. Il sait où est le parc.
She knows how to cook.
Elle sait cuisiner. Elle sait cuisiner.
We know when it's going to rain.
On sait quand il va pleuvoir. On sait quand il va pleuvoir.
We know the rules.
Nous savons les règles. Nous savons les règles.
You know the way.
Vous savez le chemin. Vous savez le chemin.
They know the time.
Ils savent l'heure. Ils savent l'heure.
They know the song.
Elles savent la chanson. Elles savent la chanson.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I know.
Je sais.
You know. Informal way.
Tu sais.
He knows. Masculine.
Il sait.
She knows. Feminine.
Elle sait.
We know, or one knows. Informal way.
On sait.
We know. Formal way.
Nous savons.
You know. Formal way.
Vous savez.
They know. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils savent.
They know. Group of only females.
Elles savent.
We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.